Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a short program on how to start the DOS prompt and type in some commands. So here we go. I'm going to create a subroutine called system info. And we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what to do. Basically enter command. Well, this will be a command that you use in a Windows terminal or a DOS prompt. So one of the easiest commands is basically the help command. If you just type in help at your DOS prompt, it'll give you a lot of information about what you can do in there. Okay, so we're going to get some user inputs using a scalar variable called entry, and we're going to assign that to standard input. This will grab the information that the user types into the entry box, and then we're going to chomp it. And then we're going to use system here to run the entry. Okay, so all we have to do is call it by system info. So to start the program, we call it system info. We'll just save it here. Let's just save there. Let's run it. Okay, so there you go, enter a command. So I'm just going to simply type help here. Okay, and there you go, that's your help. Let's run it again. Let's have a look. What if we type in date? Let's run that. Date. There we go, there's the date. Let's have a look. We could type in system info. We need a big window for this. Ooh. Okay, I see. I've made a mistake there. Okay, so let's run this again. I'm going to do system info. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.